These hydraulic ram systems from Strongway are auto body repair kits that include a variety of auto body, frame repair, and construction components for lifting, pushing, bending, and spreading. Choose from a 10-ton kit and a 4-ton kit. Both feature extension tubes with a snap lock design for quick, easy assembly. Constructed of high-grade steel and built for quality and durability, these kits have an automatic overload system that helps prevent damage to rams and equipment. Get everything you need for your next auto body repair project with these 10-ton and 4-ton hydraulic ram systems from Strongway.